question is, what is all the purple and gold stuff everywhere? Let's go to my office.
Gold and purple ribbons and balloons and everything everywhere. We'll have to find out from a local who knows what on earth is going on. So, what's the story with the game?
Well, we've beaten Koroit twice this year, so and they've beaten us once. But of course, this is the game that we want to win today.
Yep.
We want to get the monkey off the town's back, obviously.
Yep.
And it's not just about all the supporters, it's about the players too, having their success. So if they can go out there and play to their potential,
yep,
there's no reason why we can't come home with the cup.
Cool. And I've never been to a footy match before in my life. What would I expect?
You're going to expect a very hard fought battle.
Yep.
Lots of tough tackles, bumps, probably a few fights.
Yeah.
And hopefully some good football.
Cool. And what time do we turn up as well? I've got no idea.
The game starts at 2:10.
2:10?
Yep. So you want to get there a bit before then.
Yep. Okay.
And watch the boys run out.
Fantastic. Thank you for that.
Fly the flag for the club.
That's great.
All the best to the Seagulls.
Yep. Thank
you.
Go Port Fairy. Go Port Fairy. And who are they playing?
Koroit.
Okay. Yeah. We might do a drive-through Koroit on the way in. Cause
no worries.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, Justin.
Okay. See ya. Bye.
Beautiful. See you, mate.
Take care. Hopefully they're going to win this time, because it should happen. It has to happen. Surely. Yep. Oh, yum, they're so good.
So it's still busy work?
Yeah, flat out actually. So you're off to the game today?
Yes, I do. Yeah.
Do you know much about footy?
Yeah, I like footy.
Yeah.
My kids like footy.
Yep.
And it's a fun game. And school this time Port Fairy in the grand final.
Yeah,
it's really good.
Yeah, who do you think's going to win?
Yeah, I think Port Fairy.
Port Fairy?
Hopefully Port Fairy.
That's good. That's cool. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Alright, no worries. See ya.
See ya. These are so good. Since we moved down here, we've really just done soccer. We haven't done any other sports. We never really got into football or netball. I've never been to a game. I have absolutely no idea what will happen. Is there a punch-up? Is it an athletic marathon? All I know is that Port Fairy need to win this time, and I've got a real good feeling that they will. If Koroit win today, they'll get their 4th premiership in a row. Yet, if Port Fairy win, it's their 1st premiership since 1958. Now that's 59 years. Back then, Sir Robert Menzies was the Prime Minister of Australia and the President of the US was Dwight Eisenhower. NASA was formed. Elvis went into the army. Queen Elizabeth, she'd been the Queen for only 5 years. cards are purple and yellow. Check out this one. Pretty cool, huh?